Hey guys, my name is BARA. I am the quality service manager with Enertion. I've been in the DIY community for about 4 or 5 years or so. I started off building my own electric skateboards. Enertion was always a big component player at that time. As you guys all know, I mean, Enertion really raised the DIY community. So I owned a little company called Skateboard or Shy Battery Systems. I still do. It's something I've kind of shelved a little because I'm really focusing on Enertion and doing as much as I can with Enertion to kind of bring them up to your expectations. So yeah, I ran Shy Boards for about 3 years or so. I made quality batteries. You guys may have heard of me from that. And then yeah, just shifting focus just to make sure that we can really nail down all these QC issues with Enertion. I've been working for Enertion full-time for over a year, a little bit over a year, a couple months over that. And I've been working for Enertion in total for over 2 years, I believe, if not more than that. Essentially, my first year and a half or so, I was a tech for Enertion, so I handled all of their repairs in the US. Afterwards, I kind of upgraded. They saw potential in me. I started working full-time. So nowadays, if you have a Raptor 2, fortunately or unfortunately, you've probably spoken to me and you probably know who I am. So I handle a repair agent team. So we have about 10 repair agents, gonna be 11 once we find somebody in New York coming up very soon. Anytime you have a board malfunction, I will likely assign that case, or sometimes I'll fix it myself. Otherwise, it gets assigned to somebody else. I do handle, some of the purchasing with Enertion as well. Procurement is kind of something I'm getting into just to take the pressure off of the rest of the team. I do handle quality control, so that is on the customer service side as well as the service side, so technical service. The good thing is it's consistent. The customer service agents are all trained by me, and same with the repair agents. So all the repair agents know exactly the same knowledge, they have the same tools, we have all the same repair parts. So a couple big projects going on in my field, and obviously I'm here in Shenzhen because the quality is something that has been brought to our attention, and I'm taking control, and we are gonna knock this out the park. All right guys, well, you're gonna see a lot of me the next 2 weeks. We're gonna take you to a lot of our factories. We are going to take you to our battery factory, our motor factory, as well as assembly and a whole lot of others, which you'll see. So stay tuned, and we hope to see you soon.